Hi everyone, welcome to our channel and we hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about the new mid-range 4x4 offering from YJ, the MGC 4x4. So without any further ado, let's get started. YJ Toys has come up with this fascinating new 4x4 puzzle in June 2020 in the mid-range price segment that gives some serious value for your money. The cube comes in a well-designed hard cardboard box with YJ branding all over it, and a sleeve that has the name of the cube on it. Inside the box we get the cube itself and a smaller accessories box containing some tutorial papers, extra set of springs and magnets, and a very handy tensioning tool. Now talking about the specifications. The MGC 4x4 is a 60mm cube weighing just 114 grams. It is a magnetic cube with glossy surface finish. Out of the box, the cube has a very good hands feel to it thanks to the glossy surface finish. It comes with a bit looser tensions and scratchy feel, but is really fast while turning. Rough turners and beginners will have to turn it accurately, or else you might get some lockups and even pops. This, however, can be eliminated by simply adjusting tensions by 90 to 180 degrees turns on each side of the cube and adding suitable lubrication. We recommend using Cubelelo Premium Lubes for the same. After the setup, the cube feels more clicky with sandy smooth outer layers and crisper inner layers. Lubrication helps in achieving a buttery smooth feel on a whole. This is further enhanced by the overall medium magnetic strength feel, with the inner layers having stronger magnets as compared to the outer layers. The cube is light and fast on turning with a corner cutting ability of 25 to 30 degrees. That is between half a piece to about 2 cubey pieces, which really helps in executing algorithms accurately and with ease. The M-slice turns are also very easy to execute. Some tweaks in the inner pieces design has helped YJ Toys to achieve this speedy configuration. The grooves are minimal though and help in retaining lubrication for longer durations. The half-bright color scheme aids in good color recognition and look ahead. We gave the YJ MGC 4x4 cube to the former 4x4 national record holder Nitin Babu and also to Aryan Chabra. Let's see what they have to say about it.
Hey everyone, this is Nitin here. I'm here to discuss my thoughts on the new YJ MGC 4x4. Right out of the box, the cube had sort of a sandy feel and was really fast. But after a few solves, the sandy texture was out of the picture. It felt really smooth and crispy, which is what I've always preferred for a 4x4. The shades of the cube are in between full brights and standard shades, but a bit more towards the standard side. The corner cutting in this cube is phenomenal. The outer layers can cut a bit more than line to line and the inner layers a bit less. The reverse corner cutting is decent though. Talking about the speed, this is a really fast cube, a bit too much for my taste. I used a bit of Traxxas 50K and it works like a charm. The speed is controllable and the cube offers a much more smooth and crispy turning, which a lot of cubers will really appreciate. The magnetic strength is medium as far as I can tell, with the inner layers a bit stronger than the outer ones. Now talking about popping issues, initially the cube tend to pop while solving, but after I have tightened it up a little, the popping had to reduce. Needless to say, there are occasional pops. One of the biggest pros of this cube is its price. For around $1,500, this is the best 4x4 in the market. Having used the Walk 4M and the Wushu Mini M, I can say that this cube beats them all. The ease with which algorithms can be executed in turn helps with the look ahead. Overall, I can say that this is the best 4x4 I've ever tried in recent times.
Hey, it's Aryan here. YJ is known for their amazing cubes and their economical price. And now they finally come out with a 4x4. There are two variants, being the black and the stickerless. Out of the box, the cube was extremely fast and had loose tensions. It also had a lot of factory lube in it. I took it apart, cleaned it and re-lubed it with Cubelelo Weight 5, both for the core and the pieces. The cube feels extremely smooth and super controllable after lubing it. The only issue I faced is occasional pops, even on tighter tensions. The cube is also the standard size, which means it's larger than my current main, the Aosu WRM. All in all, it's an amazing cube at an amazing price, and you should definitely consider buying it.
All in all, this cube is for those who want to get better times and go up from intermediate to advanced levels. It is controllable and hard to overshoot. If you like a crisp, fast-feeling 4x4 with stabilization of a good magnetic system, then you should seriously consider buying this one. We will give the links to buy the cube in the description box below. The YJ MGC 4x4 is available for ordering now on Cubelelo.com. Also, do hit the like icon if you like the information in this video, and we will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, stay home, and happy cubing.